If you have sound problems on your Android phones like Samsung, Huawei, etc., and no sound is coming at all, then let us see what to do. The first thing is you have to go to settings here, then go to this option accessibility, go to this option hearing enhancements, and there is an option here mute all sounds. Now if you have enabled this option, there won't be any sound on your phone, so make sure that this option is disabled. Now this setting might slightly differ according to the model of your phone. I'm using Samsung phone right now. Now the next thing that you will do is you will again go to settings here, go to this option apps, tap on these three dotted icons here and select this option reset app preferences, and then select reset. So if any application is causing this issue, then it will be corrected and you will hear this sound again. But remember, when you reset the app preferences, then what happens is if you have set another app as a default app such as Truecaller for phone application, then you have to again set the default applications. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.